What's up, gang? It's your boy AR back with another video. Right now I'm out here at the English Colors 75th anniversary car show. They got a lot of custom rides out here, nice paint jobs. Chipfoose is already in the building. I've already walked around a little bit. I actually got a picture with Chipfoose. I'll show you guys. I popped the picture up right now. They got a lot of custom builds, a lot of nice paint jobs on cars. So I'll give y'all a little walk around, show a lot of the cars. They gave me a lot of free merch too. So y'all hit the like button, share the video right now, and let's get started. I'll go ahead and show y'all some of the whips. Let's get to it. Iron Man thing?
Well, it's got the Iron Man colors, the candy apple and the gold.
Right.
The car's got those colors, been that way for years. And some guy at a car show walked up behind me and said, look, that damn thing looks like Iron Man.
Right.
And ever since I bought this car in 1984, I've been wanting to come up with a name for it and never could.
Right.
As soon as he said that, my brain clicked.
Yeah, just turn the light on.
Yeah. And I've watched every single Iron Man movie at least 5 or 6 times and never put 2 and 2 together until that guy said something.
Right, yeah, that's crazy.
I went straight home and got on the internet and started ordering up all the Iron Man decals and stuff and balls and hat.
No, I think you pretty much got the majority of it. Like, even the Stark Industries, you bought those online too.
Yeah,
that's cool. Yeah, I seen that. I was like, man, he got the whole Iron Man everything. Nah, that's pretty cool. What's the fastest you ever drove it?
With these type of street slicks on it.
Yeah.
It was low 11s. And a friend of mine out of Ennis, he was out there and we swapped his wrinkle wall tires on it.
Okay.
And I ran a 1098 and then they wouldn't let me race anymore. It's a test and tune night anyway, but going too fast don't have roll bar in it.
Right.
So, you had to wake me up.
He said you had to wake me up. Well, I definitely appreciate you, Mr. Ray.
Oh,
it's
no
a
problem,
nice
man.
car you got there, man.
Man, thank you.
You probably know him too. He's a hoot. Richard's pretty fun too. Yep. Thank you, sir. Yep. I appreciate it. Chipfoose.
Right on, right on.
Beautiful ride.
Man, you got Jesse James and chipfoose at the same time.
Right.
Oh, man.
It's not hard. It's not easy.
Right.
Not a bad Thursday.
Not a bad day.
Yeah, right?
Sign them two together.
Right.
That's crazy. Alright gang, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Had a great time out here. Met a bunch of cool people, a lot of nice cars, cool car owners. Got a chance to talk to chipfoose, as y'all seen the picture, took a picture with him. Got some ideas for my 72 build from him. Actually talked to James. Real nice experience, man. So y'all go ahead and hit that like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel, man. We got a lot more content coming. Also, man, if y'all not following me on Instagram, y'all tap in on Instagram. It's just @AR_. Right up under the screen right there. We just got done doing a Xbox giveaway. Congratulations to the winner, Double214 on Instagram. Y'all go follow him. He also takes videos, photos, things of that nature. We got a PS5 that we getting ready to give away too. So y'all lock in with me on Instagram. It's just @AR_. To the next video. Appreciate y'all for watching. We out. Thanks.